to improve my team.
Well, don't try on me.
Oh, I teach?
No.
Like a guru. They come to me for help and show the guide them along the path to truth and wisdom.
Hey, George. Hey, I heard a thing. A surprising thing. A very unexpected non-medical thing about you and...
Dr. Song, hi. Sarah Beth Breyer's occupational therapist.
Only let you touch her. Page me for a cut. What kind of moron are you, O'Malley? Are you a special moron from the Isle of Complete and Utter Morons? Shut up.
He's an ass.
This is what we get for number 12. A bunch of women in ball gowns and a half-dead limo driver.
Oh, well, amazing. It's like famous life. That's what I want to be.
An Asian princess?
They've been with the same men for years, and they're happy. They did it. I can do it.
Mary.
Bailey, Nikki, Paige, Julie, you should see Bailey first, because she's got the limo driver.
Okay.
Her living with me.
You want to live together?
Well, I mean, I could. I just, but you don't want to, yes?
Absolutely sure you're ready?
I'm leaning into the humor to get a happy ending.
I don't even know what that means.
Damn it. Time of death. 24. Limo driver, traumatic arrest. Never regained a pulse. Tell them not what you are.
I have a dream, gang. One day, trauma will come through those doors. All of a dream. I share that dream. Number 7. Right now, dispatch is talking about 3 men. 3 serious injuries, every one. They're taking them to emergency.
3 men.
That's what I'm saying.
Like 3 men to see married to those ladies in the ball gowns?
Where's my hand? Right next to you. Oh, he's hurtless. Ladies, I've been on the phone with ambulance dispatch. 3 gentlemen in a limousine collided with another vehicle on Broad Street. It's possible it was your husband's.
Oh no. They're taking them to Mercy West.
Which is across town.
Unless, further they be brought here.
We can do that? Oh, you can insist.
Oh, well then I guess we insist.
Yes, we insist.